Brilliant. As Elaine was saying, Yes Scotland is a very diverse campaign. The one thing we are demonstrating here with the folks who've gathered on the Hill is the size, the scale, the diversity of Yes Scotland. People from all over the country, people from all walks of life, people from all parts of the political tradition of Scotland, all gathered here to demonstrate their support for an independent country. Now, the way that Yes Scotland operates, and I know many of you know this, is that we are very much a community-based campaign. It is about winning a majority, in some cases one vote at a time. When I started in this job a year ago, just about a year ago, I said on day one that the best thing any of us can do who already intend to vote yes is to convince just one other person who's not already persuaded of the case for Scottish independence. And all around Scotland those conversations have been happening, and more people are moving to yes. We know we want a fairer Scotland, we know we want a more democratic Scotland, we know we're a prosperous country, but the wealth can be shared more fairly. We can be a more equal society. We can be the kind of country to which we aspire. And all around the country, I believe, over the next year, people will go through that process of thinking, what do they care about? What are their highest values and priorities? And as they go through that process, they move to yes. And once you move to yes, there is no going back to no. Now, I've been going around Scotland and holding meetings all around the country for the last year or so, and you get asked lots and lots of questions. Some of them turn up quite a lot. A question you sometimes get asked is, what would we lose if we became an independent country? What would Scotland lose? And you can go through the list fairly quickly. Well, we'd lose nuclear weapons. We'd lose the bedroom tax. We'd lose Tory governments that we never ever vote for. So that's what we'd lose, and what's not to love in all of that? Now, we are the lucky generation. We are the generation that gets to vote for independence, that gets to make the choice of self-determination for Scotland and to become an independent country. And it is a big step. We are making history. The people of Scotland next year get the chance to make history. Sometimes making history does take a bit of courage. But one thing the people of Scotland have never lacked is courage. And that's why I believe that next year the people of Scotland will make history and will vote yes. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.